Hi guys, it's me Shanella Suarez and nandito ako ngayon sa High Shots Production and samahan niyo ako para sa aking 3D boot shoot. So ano bang inaantay niyo? Tara na!
Capturing your story, every heart and soul. From weddings to birthdays, we cover it all. Studio shoots or events, big and small. Life's a canvas, let us paint it bright.
Alright guys, I'm with Shanella and magkakaroon siya ng shoot for today. So Shanella, do you have any request na gusto ma-achieve na shoot or shots or concept na naisip na gusto mo?
Gusto ko ngayon para mga enchanting ganon, fantasy, tapos gusto ko more on flowers, and then parang golden vibes, tapos gusto ko rin parang mukhang fairy, ganon. Ganon yung atake ko ngayon.
So guys, abangan natin kung ma-achieve pa niya yung gusto niyang shoot for today.
Magic in every glance and pose, from candid smiles to the beauty that
Alright guys, let me introduce our talented makeup artist, Miss Bonnie.
Hello guys!
Okay, Miss Bonnie, ano ba yung atake natin for her look sa gagawing shoot niya for today?
Since Enchanted Garden po yung theme ng shoot natin for today, preferred ko sa kanya yung Douyin makeup since angelic po yung face na ating model.
So alright guys, let's start it.
friends. No matter the occasion, no matter the place, your memories with us will never erase. Moments fade, but memories stay. Let us capture them before they slip away. Find sure the moments you want to remember forever with us. High Shots Production, your memories are a must. From laughter to love.
Alright guys, here's the final look of Shanella. Shanella, kamusta naman ang makeup sa'yo ni Miss Bonnie?
Sobrang ganda. Naarap niya yung fantasy ko ng makeup. Like, sobrang fresh. Sobrang ganda talaga. Sobrang smooth. Parang makeup, parang siyang filter in real life. Ganon. Parang di na lang buburahin.
Miss Bonnie, kamusta naman experience mo na si Shanella yung na-makeupan mo for today?
Sa totoo lang, nakaka-pressure kasi tagal ko na siyang gustong makeupan. Tapos ito nga yung perfect time. Hindi naman ako nahirapan kasi sobrang ganda na talaga niya.
Hirapan ka lang kakaselfon.
Oo, medyo busy kasi siya. Alam mo naman.
Alright guys, ngayon check naman natin kung ma-achieve ba ni Miss Shanella yung mga gusto niyang photo shoots. Tara, let's go!
Lights, camera, action, we're ready to roll. Capturing your story, every heart and soul. From weddings to birthdays, we cover it all. Studio shoots or events, big and small. Life's a canvas, let us paint it bright. Every frame tells a story, every shot feels right. Capture the moments you want to remember forever with us. High Shots Production, your memories are a must.
So Shanella, kamusta naman ang experience mo dito sa High Shots Production?
Sobrang ganda guys. Super smooth ng naging shoot ko dito sa High Shots. Hindi siya tinipid sa shots. And yung fantasy ko kanina na background na yan, talagang nakuha. Sobrang detailed. And ayan, sobrang ganda guys. As in, hindi ka nila titipirin sa oras. Hindi ka nila, hanggang magsawa ka. Parang naman to sawa dito eh. Ikaw na talaga yung susuko, ganon. Tapos sobrang mabait ng mga staffs nila. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, kung gusto ng quality experience sa mga photoshoots nyo, kung may ganyan kayo, dito na kayo sa High Shots Production, located at 231 Mabini Avenue, and katabi lang siya ng Capegueño and Bobby's Lomi. Ayun lang.
Okay guys, kitang-kita nyo naman na satisfy si Miss Shanella. So thank you Shanella and thank you everyone for watching. See you on the next video.
Capture them before they slip away. Find sure